if you want to get the most natural position on a rifle scope, this is the best way to do it. Put your scope on. Probably better to do this standing up. Close your eyes. Put your gun up to a nice comfortable position. Open your eyes and look through the scope. And if you have to reach forward or lean back to be able to see clearly through here, and you need to move this. So close your eyes, lift it up, natural, open your eye. With this one, I've got little dark rings around it, so it needs to be moved slightly. I've just got one of these done up to make it loose. You could undo these, leave the mounts where they are, and move the actual scope back and forward if you want to. I'm just doing it this way easier. Close your eyes, hold it up, open them, and move this until it's just right, keeping your head in the same place. Yeah, that's about right. So if you need to lurch forward, the scope needs to come back, because you may need to undo these and pull it back more. Or if you need to lurch your head backwards, the scope needs to go forwards. So this is so that when you shoot, you can just straight away pull it up and look through it straight away, without having to do things like this. Or like that. You've got it straight away if you do it that way. That's how you do it. Make sure you do these up nice and tight.